we're going to install Cinema 4D. And Cinema allows you to download their software as a student. I believe it's 18 months, plenty of time that you need the software. The URL for this is reg.maxon-campus.net. Okay, so just type that into your browser. That's not my browser. Just minimize you. This is my browser here. reg.maxon-campus.net. It'll bring you here. So most of you aren't instructors, so you'll click on register as student. It'll want you to pick a country. So pick the country. Here's a licensing information stuff. You've read it, I'm sure. You've continued. More information, signing away your soul to third-party software. Your free educational license, the following is available. Please choose. Maxon Computers. You agree with that? There's typically only one option for most of the stuff. Okay, and then here's where you're going to punch in your information. So you'll log in with your email address that you'll create. You'll make a password, and then that will give you access. So I'm going to log into my stuff. All right, so once I'm registered, verified my email addresses and all that stuff, typically you'll get access to this area where you can download the software. So here's my download Cinema, and it'll probably try to start downloading it right now, or give me the links. There they are. So here's one for Windows, here's one for Mac. And once you download that, you'll install it. And then after it's done installing, it'll let you open it up. It'll typically give you information about activation code. So right now I have an activation code. This activation code is locked to this computer. So you can't request this for another computer. It has to be the one you're currently on. So once Cinema opens, we'll go to the next step. All right, mine's not going to come up because it's already registered, but this is what you would typically get. You would get the screen that comes up that says Cinema isn't licensed. Click here to activate. So you'll click there. It'll bring you to Maxon's website, where you'll have to request an activation code. Sometimes it takes a week to get, sometimes not, but it'll still let you use the software in the meantime for 30 days or something. Once you get it, you'll hit enter activation code, and you'll copy and paste that into your area, and then you should be able to get into Cinema 4D and not have to worry about a license. Up here it should say educational version, classroom version, whatever it is, restricted license, sure, but it'll let you save stuff, which this one does. It'll let you render stuff. I click this, it lets me render. And then that should be installed. You may also get a thing that pops up that says updates. And you can go ahead and install any updates that are out there. This is currently R20. R21 is going to be released at the time of this video relatively shortly. But typically whatever version the class is on, that's what you want to be on. You can always save up to the next version, but saving down is typically tricky in these kinds of softwares. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So that's how you will install Cinema 4D.